Today, we're talking about Mitolyn, a weight loss supplement that's been making waves lately. But is it worth the hype? Stick around because I'm giving you an honest review, breaking down everything you need to know. What is Mitolyn? Supplement claims to support weight loss by boosting your metabolism and energy levels while helping to burn fat more efficiently. The formula is packed with ingredients like green tea extract, L-carnitine, and raspberry ketones, which are well known for their potential weight loss benefits. Sounds impressive, right? For learn more about Mitolyn, visit the official website link in video description. But let's dive deeper. Here are the key ingredients: green tea extract, natural fat burner that's rich in antioxidants. L-carnitine helps your body convert fat into energy. Raspberry ketones, believed to increase fat breakdown and regulate metabolism. Mitolyn also claims to suppress appetite, improve focus, and boost overall energy levels. But does it deliver on these promises? I did some research on the ingredients. While there's evidence suggesting these compounds can aid in weight loss, results may vary depending on factors like diet, exercise, and individual metabolism. For example, green tea extract has been shown to help burn fat, but only when combined with a healthy lifestyle. So, Mitolyn isn't a magic pill, it's more of a supportive tool. Now, let's talk about real-world results. I checked online reviews, and users have mixed experiences. Some report noticeable weight loss, better energy levels, and fewer cravings, while others didn't see much change. It seems like consistency and pairing it with a good routine are key to getting results with Mitolyn. Here's my take on the pros and cons. Pros: natural ingredients. May boost energy and metabolism. Appetite suppression for some users. Cons: results vary. Requires commitment to a healthy lifestyle. Not a budget-friendly option for everyone. So, is Mitolyn worth it? If you're looking for a supplement to complement your weight loss journey and you're willing to combine it with healthy eating and regular exercise, it might be a good option for you. But if you're expecting overnight results, you might want to reconsider. Always check with your doctor before starting any new supplement. Thanks for watching. If you've tried Mitolyn, let me know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more reviews like this. For learn more about Mitolyn, visit the official website link in video description. So, what exactly is Mitolyn? According to the makers, it's a weight loss supplement designed to boost your metabolism, increase your energy levels, and help your body burn fat more effectively. It's marketed as a natural solution, packed with ingredients that supposedly work together to give you that extra edge in your weight loss journey. Let's take a look at the main ingredients and their potential benefits. Green tea extract, a popular ingredient in weight loss products, known for its ability to boost fat burning and improve metabolic rate. It's also loaded with antioxidants, which can promote overall health. L-carnitine. This amino acid is often included in fat-burning supplements because it helps your body convert stored fat into usable energy. Raspberry ketones, believed to enhance fat breakdown and regulate metabolism, though the research here is still ongoing. Chromium picolinate, a mineral that may help curb sugar cravings by stabilizing blood sugar levels. Caffeine, a natural stimulant to boost energy and alertness, which can be especially helpful if you're incorporating workouts into your routine. Now, let's get into the science. Some of these ingredients, like green tea extract and caffeine, have been studied extensively and show promise in aiding weight loss, especially when paired with exercise and a balanced diet. However, other ingredients, like raspberry ketones, don't have as much concrete evidence behind them yet. That doesn't mean they don't work, it just means we need more research to fully understand their potential. It's important to remember that no supplement is a miracle cure. If you're expecting to take Mitolyn and wake up 10 pounds lighter without changing your lifestyle, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Supplements like this are designed to support your weight loss efforts, not replace them. Next, let's talk about what real users are saying. I scoured online forums, product reviews, and social media to get a sense of how people are experiencing Mitolyn. Here's a quick summary. Many users report feeling an increase in energy, which helped them stay consistent with their workouts. Some noticed reduced cravings, especially for sugary snacks, which can be a big win for anyone trying to lose weight. On the flip side, a few users didn't see significant results, even after taking it for several weeks. Others mentioned minor side effects like jitters or difficulty sleeping, likely due to the caffeine content. At the end of the day, Mitolyn isn't a magic solution, but it might be a helpful tool if you're looking for extra support in your weight loss journey. Remember, supplements work best when paired with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy habits. If you're considering Mitolyn, I highly recommend consulting with your doctor or a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.